Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a vertical image one that you can use as a featured image because those have to be horizontal. So you're going to start by opening Photoshop, which I've already done, and then you're going to hit Create New. And the dimensions don't really matter as long as it's showing up horizontal. So you can see the orientation here. It says it's going to be 7 by 5, so it's going to work just fine. So I'll hit Create New. And you're going to take the image that you want to be your featured image and you're going to drag that on and just hit enter. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this image to make a blurred background. So how we're going to do that is we're going to copy the image 2 more times. So there's a total of 3 images. So you can do that by either copying and pasting or just dragging it to this box with the plus sign on it. Either way works. And so then we're going to take the images so that it covers the whole horizontal background. And we're going to select these, and you can see that they're highlighted in the lighter gray here. And we're going to make them the blurred background. So you convert for smart filters because we're going to use a blurred filter. So you're going to go to blur, and then you're going to go to Gaussian blur. We've just found that that one works well. So you can see that this is looking really nice and soft and like it'll be a good background. So you can kind of mess around with it. I think it looks better a little more blurred because then it's just a background. Like it doesn't get distracting. It gets a little distracting when there's 3 of the same images that you can clearly see are the same images. So you're just going to hit OK, and then you're going to take the first image that will show up in the middle and you're going to drag it on top, and then you have your horizontal featured image. So then you're just going to save it, and just be sure to save it as a JPEG, and you can title it whatever makes sense for what the image is, and then you're going to save it as a higher quality because it is going to show up on our website and we want it to look not pixelated. So save it to a higher quality and then just hit OK, and we have our perfectly horizontal featured image.